So Romers, how does one flee the cage of despondency? Well, you have to pick yourself up, don't you? You have to get outside the cage and you have to move on and you have to make things better. You have to reinstall your good positive habits, water your nourishing seeds, as the Buddhists say, and get back out on the road. So after crapping out with my wallet in what's the name of that place, Larache, I thought, right, get on the road. Went to Casablanca. Before I knew it, I'm in Marrakesh and all is good. Just about 5 minutes away from the Jemaa El-Fna. I mean, I must admit, it is rather hot here. It's like low 40s, but it's not the 50s, is it? And then you have all these like wonderful scenes, which is what Marrakesh is famous for. So all is good. And then of course this is only a stopping place. So onwards and upwards, or just plain sailing. Really enjoying it though. It's a life-fulfilling experience visiting Morocco, without a doubt. Hello Romers, back again. So the title of this video is going to be something like Stuck in Morocco for a month. So basically, if you've watched the previous videos, you will know that I lost my wallet in the back of a taxi, so I've had to find somewhere to stay so I can get what I need sent to me from overseas, etc, etc. That place happens to be Marrakesh, so I'm at a Riyadh in Marrakesh. I'm going to stay in Marrakesh for a month. So things are looking up. It's been a little bit depressing, I must admit. There was almost like a sense of dread every time I thought about what happened, because if you lose your wallet when you're overseas, it has massive ramifications. Not only that, but my Australian SIM card was in it. So it's like, oh my God, can't contact anyone, another form of ID's gone, etc, etc. So anyway, here I am in Marrakesh for a month. Can't make a vlog lasting a month. I've already vlogged about Marrakesh, but what I'll do is, while I'm here, I'll fill you in on any interesting things that I do in Marrakesh. So this is what it's going to be. Anyway, here we are on the rooftop of the Riyadh Kutubia Tower, beginnings of the Atlas Mountains. It's a fantastic city, and it's not a place where you're really stuck because there's so much going on here. It changes day after day after day. It's a fantastic place. So when I thought through that, the feeling of like being a bit depressed about losing my stuff, I thought, man, I'm lucky. I get to experience like a month in a fantastic city, and gradually get to know it more and more every day. I can walk about the souk without a phone because I sort of know where I'm going, because it's all familiar. I mean, it's just a real privilege, and I feel really grateful that things are on the up. So this is Jemaa El-Fna Square, the hub of Marrakesh's nightlife. Just now the transition is going on. The guys are bringing out all the stalls to make up the food city, which will be here tonight. It is exactly that. There'll just be so many people here selling all manner of food, but mainly Moroccan food, obviously. Snails, tagines, couscous, you name it. It's fascinating to watch. It was so busy here yesterday. Sunday night is the busiest night. And look, here they go. The nightly construction. The other part of the Jemaa El-Fna Square is the Kutubia, heavily fortified with scaffolding since the earthquake a few years back, and of course all the horses lined up for tonight. Take people on pony rides around the city. 1 hour later, food market has appeared. Juice market's still on. So Marrakesh has many different types of shopping. I can show you the Medina, I can show you Jemaa El-Fna Square, but it also has grand boulevards, lots of shops, big shopping plazas, big shopping centres, and well, everything you can imagine. And it's all set amidst beautiful desert landscapes. It's clean and it is beautiful. So 15 minutes walk, or about 15 minutes drive, or about an hour's walk from town, then the natural landscapes begin. You know, you get people herding goats, and obviously that's where a lot of the building material comes from for town. But yeah, it really is a desert town. So over the course of my 3 months in Morocco, I've seen a fair bit, you know what I mean? Stayed in like dozens of Riyadh hotels, you know, had a few experiences, been to beaches, mountains, waterfalls and all that. But Marrakesh seems to be the place, you know, it's almost the centre of activity. Look, if you don't go to many places in Morocco, you probably come to Marrakesh. So I'm just going to put a few different market scenes, etc. on this video and then upload it, because I want to get on with my story, the story of my travels. And even though I'm here for a month, I don't want anyone else to be stuck here for a month. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go out now, have a walk around, show you some stuff, and then upload it so that the roaming story continues. So today's a little bit different. It's been intensely hot, and now there seems to be a storm coming. I was reading in the room, and the sky is filled with clouds and the dark, distant rumblings of a storm, an approaching storm, which will bring a bit of relief, but a lot of chaos, I'm guessing. First raindrops are falling, people are getting out their plastic sheets. What do? Do they cover up? They put their argan oil away, or do they brave it? Anyway, let's head into one of these market lanes. Let's show you the type of shops they've got. So they've got all the fabric shops, they've got leather shops, they've got assorted metals and tin and ornamental lamps and necklaces, and the ubiquitous sporting goods stores. So I said I wanted to live in Morocco somewhere, or somewhere, for a while, didn't I? So now I've got 3 weeks to a month here. So we've got fruit and nuts, dates, peanuts, all these yummy nutritious snacks, basketware, leather surf, belts, hats, everything a tourist could want. Fridge magnets, and of course I'm keeping up my day-to-day activities, keeping up my fitness, lots of walking, 500,000 steps a month, good healthy food, lots of water, everything we need to do to lift our spirits. And yeah, typical market scene. So that about covers the inside covered markets, which are all gorgeous. And then outside you've got various little bits of basketware and spice stores, and you know, depending on where, well, I don't know, I mean all these are like little individual markets. So this has obviously been here a long time. This might have been a basket market before there was plastic. That's how old it might be. The place is ancient, so you see a lot of, you know, time-honoured processes going on. It is fascinating. So literally this is me for the next month. Get myself a bit of a routine sorted, and I'm no doubt I'll find more along the way, for sure. So anyway, I might end this vlog here, get it posted, and welcome myself back into the world of YouTube, and as I say, to continue my travel journeys on. Oh, this is a bit of a local area. I'm sure I see stuff every day I haven't seen before. It's hard to know. It looks both familiar and new, which is kind of good, I guess. I'll leave you with a tagine. Peace and love out.